Hi, Chris. This is Caitlin from Next Level SEO OKC. I'm reaching out to you because you commented on my post on Facebook for the Home Inspectors group, and I just wanted to go over a few things for some tips on your website to get you some more traffic to your business. So we'll go over a few things, content, backlinks, and citations, and we will also go through your competitor's website, as well as positioning on Google and how getting some real estate there will definitely help your traffic. So the first thing we'll talk about is content. And when I talk about content, I'm meaning all of this information about you, your business, and your services. So Google really likes for you to have anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words on your website. And with that, they will be able to tell that you're really the expert in this field in your area. Right now you have about 483 words, which is a good start, but we'll definitely need to add quite a bit of words to your website. Also, as a quick tidbit before I move on, there's a little bit of work that needs to be done on your website, but not a whole lot. Definitely bigger font, bolder font. This phone number here is extremely hard to see. I didn't even see this one down here until just now. So that's something that you definitely can update pretty easily. This next part is a program I use called Ahrefs. It's H-A-R-E-F-S. And this allows anyone, you can get it for yourself, but to look at the back end of your website and what's really driving power and what's not. So right here is your DR, or your domain rating. The higher this number, the better. Right now you're at a 7, so you definitely want to work on getting that up. And there's a few things that we can do to do that for you. So backlinks are very powerful. Some are not, but most are. So backlinks are small links or highlighted words in other people's website, so a blog or an article or a post, and that's referring domains. So these backlinks will be on these referring domains. Someone will click something about home inspection, maybe foundation, or buying a new home, and it leads back to your website. That's what backlinks are. And organic keywords are what you have on your website in your content that's driving power to your website for people to call you. So if someone researches Kentucky home inspections, this is what it shows. So the volume is how many people are searching for this per month. And there's 50 people searching that exact key phrase per month. KD is your keyword difficulty. So this is how difficult it is to grab some customers from those specific keywords, because other companies or other businesses probably have that on their website as well. So this is an 8. You really want that from a 0 to 5. Or to focus on the words that have 0 to 5. Traffic is how many customers you're getting per month based on this specific search. So 50 people search Kentucky home inspections, and you are getting 1.8 customers. So almost 2 customers a month from that traffic, or from that volume. And this also has to do with the position that you are on Google. So each page of Google has about 10 different companies or 10 different businesses. And so 1 through 10 is a good start. You want most of your keywords to fall 1 through 10. Ideally, you want all of them to fall 1 through 3. That's when you really start gaining some traction with customers. Next, I'll go through the Google portion. And this is, how I found your competition. I just simply put in home inspection Tennessee. And this is what pulls up for anything. So even if you're searching like a restaurant or where to get your hair done, that you'll see this Google Map Pack. And to get this, you want to register your business with Google. And so you'll get a Google account, you'll put your business information in, and they will send you, they'll send you a postcard with a code on that postcard. You'll enter that into your Google account, therefore creating a Google My Business account. Once you do that, you can enter a lot of NAPs, and we'll go through that in a second. But once you do that, you can get a website directions icon, but you also want to add a phone number. When you have a phone number out there, it will increase your traffic quite a bit. Statistics say about 90% more people will click or will schedule with you and get a hold of you if they can get to you talking to a person about what they need from 1 to 3 clicks. Then down here is this organic listing. So the rate or the position I was talking about of 1 through 10 on each page, you really want the first 3. And this, you get to this organic position by your website build, the content on your website, and some information there with backlinks. So these first three are just, how to become an inspector and then a licensee program. You'll ignore those. They also sometimes have like Yelp and Home Advisor on there. You'll just skip past those. You want to be in that first organic position. So I clicked onto them, and this is their website, Tennessee Home Inspectors. And their website has only 376 words. Pretty easy to beat. You can add a lot of content. And their website layout is a little bit easier on the eye, so you may kind of look at their website and add a few of these elements to yours. Now, as far as their back end of their website, they have quite a bit going on. So their domain rating is at a 23, which is good. Their backlinks are over 5,000, which is great, on 48 different websites, but you kind of want to spread these backlinks out over many more websites to get some better power, some stronger power. And then their organic keywords, they are really hitting a lot of keywords. These top four have a lot of volume. Oh my goodness, excuse me. Have a lot of volume. So Nashville Home Inspectors gets 200 people searching per month. Now their KD is a little difficult. It's out of 12 for this specific word, but with some time, you really can take some customers from there. Now they're getting 24 customers from that 200 on being the second position on Google. So they're all within the first page here. Now, next I'll talk about citations, and this was what I was referring to on how to get to this top 3 Google Map pack. So you will enter your name, your address, and your phone number just as it appears on Google onto a lot of different websites that are similar to online white page websites. And when you do that, you're creating a citation. So you have, 14 citations. And the competitor, the Tennessee Home Inspectors, have 40 citations. So when my customers are with me for about 6 months, they have anywhere from 350 to 500 citations, and that will really drive some power to your business. Okay, well, if there's anything I can do for you, please reach out. Thank you for commenting on my posts. I really would like to be of service to you and be a tool that you can utilize. So just give me a call at 405-627-2693 or shoot me an email at caitlin@nextlevelseo-okc.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.